Yeah, let's see it, Johnson. Oh, Messi. Oh. 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 My bad. Yeah, gear inspections got me sweaty, you know? You know, Cozy? You're camera shy. What up, YouTube? I wonder how many of you people know where that's from. But I hope it wasn't in the video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So I just bought the GoPro Hero 5 Black. And as I bought this too. It's like a little stick. So right when I bought it, I was like, oh, I'm gonna open this in the car. I'm so excited. And I was like, wait, this is the perfect opportunity to do an unboxing video. I've been wanting this for so long, and I was holding out, but I went ahead and did it. I bought it. Let's get to it. How do we even open this thing? Oh, maybe let's start down here. Now I just want to go snorkeling. Like, I just want to go snorkeling. I want to jump in the middle of the ocean and just do cool things. Let's go snorkeling. I had this hotel room to myself because my mom and grandma were visiting for my birthday, and they were nice enough to rent an extra 2 days in the hotel for me when they left. Jess will be here tomorrow, so I can't wait for that. This is the Hero 5 Black. Oh, picking up Lance Corporal tomorrow though. Finally. I'm not a contract PFC, so it took me a while. I've been in the Marine Corps for a year and 3 months. A year and 3 months. Yeah, I'm a boot. Ah, I'm so excited. What's this? What's this nonsense? What's this we have here? I don't like reading instructions, but maybe I should start. What? Is this a battery? Is this the real camera or is this a fake camera? Is this just for show? Alright, so how do I work this? How do I like... Is there a switch or what? Ah! So it comes with this charger. Wow, I'm really bad at this. I forgot. I remember I used to watch unboxing videos when I was younger, because I watched videos and everything I wanted that I couldn't have. And this is the GoPro. It looks sick, dude. Sick, bro. It is. You probably can't see anything because I stink. Today is... Oh, low battery. You stink. Well, yeah, that's the GoPro Hero. What is this? The GoPro Hero 5 Black. See ya. Good, how about yourself?
Good to go, drive safe, bro.
Thank you. What's up, guys? Vlogging and driving. Don't do this. I'm at a red light, but I spent my birthday weekend with my mom and my grandma, and Jess comes on Thursday, so now I'm 19 years old. Pretty cool, pretty cool.
Good morning, everyone. It is 3:30 and I'm about to leave to North Carolina to see Mike. I'm with Aaron. I look really disgusting. We'll see if I make it. I gotta stop at Starbucks soon to power through. So I'll see you guys later.
Who's back?
I'm back. I recorded a video on my phone.
Did you? I went to Walmart. vlogging, but
You're not. It's gonna be wind.
it's really windy.
We're here with Erin.
Hey,
Hi.
Speedy. Oh, I thought that was a real bird. It's not a real bird. It's a really nice day out, but it's so windy.
Like it says for lease on it.
She's live on Instagram.
It's really cold.
We just walked behind these people's photo. Wow, I can barely speak. My mouth's frozen. I can barely talk. Can't pronounce properly.
Okay, bye.
If anyone's a One Tree Hill fan, this is the school of One Tree Hill. I don't watch One Tree Hill, but she's obsessed with One Tree Hill. She knows all about it. This is for all you One Tree Hill fans. Like her.
It's really exciting.
So excited. I want you hell.
Mike loves One Tree Hill. He's a really big fan. He's excited to be here.
Number one fan.
Number one fan.
I don't know about that one.
This is huge for one scoop.
Yeah.
What?
Is it?
Yeah. This is one scoop. It's huge.
You like your ice cream?
Wait, what?
Your ice cream.
It's really good.
Like some ice cream.
So did I.
I was like, what?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Your kale wins.
Pillman's.
You're looking really fashionable.
Yeah, okay.
You guys like my tourist shirt?
Tourist? Why are you saying words so weird?
Tourist. That's how I talk.
Tourist.
Your tourist shirt. It's a Wilmington shirt.
I'm a tourist.
I'm a tourist. It's a nice stroll on the beach. This water is freezing, yo. Ah! Wilmington. Look at this amazing food. It's not focusing. Hi, Aaron.
Hey. Really yummy.
So yummy. Yeah, we go out. No, just kidding. Hi, guys.
Look at Mike's bald head. So, to leave Mike for a long time. You're excited to get away from me though.
Nah, I'm gonna miss her. But I will be back.
I
And
will be back.
I will be back. But I'll try my best to vlog over there. I doubt it'll be much, but when we get back, it'll be a lot of vlogging, so that's gonna be nice.
We look tired because it's 9:24. It's past Mike's bedtime.
Yeah.
Mike goes to bed at like 8.
every
30.
night. Wow, my head is really shining.
Look at it. It hurts. It's not very nice. I miss his hair.
It's rough.
I miss the hair. Thanks for the love and support. We went missing for a while, but we'll try to come back.
We've just been hanging out before I leave.
I've been slacking on the video. Mike
She
gets
really
mad at me.
has.
I know, but like sometimes I just want to be in the moment. I don't want to like film. It's true. Like
I'm
I've
just
just
kidding.
been spending time with him. It's hard to film.
We'll see you guys,
Oh, you're done?
and we'll continue vlogging. Yeah.
Oh.
With my egghead. Bye.
Bye.